guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to go over one important aspect about mobility work, and that is maintenance. Being able to assess yourself and know over a long period of time when things are starting to go a bit funny on you. So it's not just important to get the ranges of motion that you need to move well, to squat, deadlift, lift, do whatever it is you enjoy doing, but especially if you enjoy pushing the boundaries or do a contact sport, your body's always going to be getting little knocks and things like that that are going to tighten muscles up, and if you don't know how to open them up, this is another way you can use the simplistic mobility method as an assessment tool and a maintenance system as well. So running yourself through that, you will start to realize how much certain movements can be affected just from the simplest things. So good one I always used to like to use an example would be stubbing your toe. Your hip hikes up that little bit just to keep the weight off it for you, okay? That just tightens everything up around here. So if you don't know how to lengthen that and stretch that out again, then you could just be walking around doing that. And that's when you start to see people twisting when they're deadlifting or running to one side. And this is stuff that can happen over months at a time. So always make sure that you're looking after yourself all of the time. It's not just a simple quick fix, hey, let's get flexible and then that's me. You always want to have some sort of element in your training that you know assesses you all the time and looks after your stability, okay? So it's very easy to take the slightest little knock and just lose a bit of shoulder stability. A good example as well would be like weightlifting, doing a bit of a dodgy lift, having to save it. Say it's competition, you're having to save that lift and your shoulder gets knocked about a wee bit. You know, the muscles don't just all switch back on themselves magically after it starts to feel better. You have to know how to put that little bit of work in, and that will serve you a lot more long term than just you waiting until something gets hurt and then having to backtrack for, you know, a couple of weeks until you're better again, okay? So keep on top of it all the time and you will not get hurt as often or at all, hopefully, and you'll just have a lot more fun and a better time.